As an engineer, you're constantly asking yourself important questions. Like how to bond materials that don't go easily together. How to make sure everything will still work after hundreds of hours of use. Here at 3M, we've got the answer you've been looking for. Do it with science. The science behind Scotch-Weld structural adhesives will help make your designs a reality. And our specialists from all over the globe will assist you with any bonding challenges you might have. So, now let us ask you a question. How can we help you with your design?